So this is coming to you from the Masai Mara, and we are just watching a show that is between these Topi boys and one buffalo that just tried to run away from these boys. He is actually in the water, and one of the boys is just hanging on top of his back. So these other boys are just waiting for a moment when this buffalo will start to come out of the water. It is probably a challenging thing for lions to struggle to bring down and kill a buffalo if he is in the water. That's just what has happened. The male lion that was hanging on his back just let him go, and the buffalo is just damn annoyed. So you can see how he's trying to scare the boys. And there is now an addition of this one other boy who is a member of this group called the Topi boys. This worries the buffalo even more. And now the buffalo has got no choice but to find himself how he could actually save his life. These boys need food, and the buffalo is trying to find a way of survival. So this is coming to you from the Masai Mara National Reserve today, the 18th of September 2025. Signing out.